Best BBQs in the USA. Barbecue is perhaps the ultimate American food, with regional styles as diverse as the country itself, from Central Texas smoked brisket and Memphis sticky ribs to Kansas City's burnt ends and Carolina's vinegar and mustard sauce pork. However, there is more to the iconic cuisine than meets the eye. Americans know how to make the best barbecue, from tender, juicy brisket to smoked hog that's been drizzled and dipped in tubs of sauce the size of the Gulf of Mexico. In this video, we'll be giving you a list of the best BBQs in the US. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The first barbecue joint on our list of 7 best BBQs in the US is Hometown Bar-B-Que in Brooklyn, New York. Billy Durney of Hometown Bar-B-Que is unquestionably New York's current Q king. Durney's locations in Red Hook and Industry City serve up Brooklyn-style barbecue that employs Southern cooking techniques to reflect the diverse flavor profiles found in his hometown. Vietnamese wings, Caribbean jerk baby back ribs, Oaxacan marinated chicken, and Korean sticky ribs are among the dishes available, in addition to Texas-style brisket, pulled pork, collard greens, and hometown slaw. The next barbecue on our list of 7 best BBQs in the USA is 17th Street BBQ in Murfreesboro, Illinois. 17th Street's cherry and applewood smoked and magic dusted baby back ribs have won world championships and set competition circuit records since the early 1990s. People travel from all over the country to eat them in the small town of Murfreesboro. They even ship their meat overnight for those who cannot make the trip, which is very mind-blowing. We think you should try it. The next barbecue on our list is Big Bob Gibson BBQ, located in Decatur, Alabama. The barbecue boom has fueled enough interest in regional variations that it's no longer unusual to walk into a newly opened barbecue establishment anywhere in the country and find the distinctive vinegary, mayo-based sauce that Bob Gibson created generations ago. You haven't truly experienced it until you've made the pilgrimage to Decatur, eaten your weight in hickory smoked chicken, and tasted that bright, peppery tang right there at the source. You definitely should pay. Number 4 is Blood Brothers BBQ, located in Texas, Houston. What began as a casual gathering of brothers Robin and Terry Wong, and their best friend Quy Hong, a chef-smoker, has evolved into a full-fledged barbecue love affair. Their specialties include brisket burnt and steamed buns, gochujang glazed pork ribs, smoked turkey banh mi, and thinking pork belly. Since this barbecue is mixed with a taste of China, you should give it a try. At number 5 of the best BBQs in the US is Snow's BBQ in Lexington, Texas. Tootsie Tominets is one lady pitmaster with an unrivaled reputation in the barbecue industry. Her food is the best in the state and, according to Texans, the best in the world. She works maintenance at a local high school 5 days a week, but the octogenarian Texas legend becomes a barbecue superwoman on Saturday mornings. The line starts moving at 8 a.m., but if you think that's early, consider that Tootsie begins shoveling coals around 2 a.m. to prepare. The next on the list is Lems BBQ, located in Chicago, Illinois. The Chicago barbecue tradition lost one of its titans a few years ago when longtime Lems owner and operator James Lemons died, the last survivor of a group of brothers who made a mark on the Chicago meat map dating back to the 1940s. Nonetheless, Lems is a must-visit for anyone looking to dig into a pile of rib tips. So if sifting through bits of bone and cartilage isn't your thing, then you should visit Lems BBQ. The last barbecue on our list of 7 best BBQs in the US is Joe's Kansas City BBQ in Kansas. The restaurant, which is housed within a gas station, slow cooks their tender brisket for a total of 15 hours. Their burnt ends sandwich is some of the best barbecue in America, crispy and delicious. Others appear to agree, which is why they stand in line for hours to get a taste. If you are an adventurous barbecue lover, you should visit them. What do you think of these BBQs? Do let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.